Got a fast one today on a cable plate that I want to use a different style that has the little stub out. Well, this particular cable plate, in order to remove it, you can't just pass it over the head. You'd have to cut it. I don't want to do that. So I want to show you just a fast way how to get rid of this particular type of cable plate.
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon
Right at the subscribe button,
and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Let's get in prep for painting.
Just to show you real quick. Got these. What you can do is take this and just break it in half. Now it's ready for the other type of cable plate.
For a lot of places, you don't want to leave a bunch of cabling hanging out of the wall. It just looks funny on a vacant unit when you're trying to show it to sell it or rent or whatever. But this is a way to get rid of that type of pass-through cable and then hook up a stub out instead. A quick search of my YouTube channel. You should find a bunch of different videos that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs. Also, there's links in the description below the videos to tools and parts used in the videos.